45 feet into the chill grey waters of the bay. A violent quake lashes the tower back and forth like a whip. Losing support from its base, its fall seems agonizingly slow. The big observation pod hits the ground at 150 miles an hour, the entire tower smashing in a cloud of debris. The odds for hundreds of years.
This building is an odd one.
The tower is a charred, teetering steel skeleton. The upper 21 floors have earthquake-damping struts installed between floors, but after wildfire damage, a moderate quake finally brings down the weakened structure. The corrosion buckles a supporting leg, turning the sky bridge into a one-way lift. Lapse of the other. It's only a matter of years before war. After a century of neglect, the entire structure is cracking and crumbling. Finally, in great chunks, the 9,000-ton steel and lucite dome comes raining down.
The weight of the vines alone on the roof of the structure would probably cause some collapse. They would cause the...
After 5 millennia, 90% of the carving remains completely intact. In the time of humans, the giant 85-foot-high wooden scoreboard was one of only 2 in a major stadium to be manually operated. But it's defenseless without humans to maintain it. Ivy repels up and over the scoreboard as it crumbles under a siege of termites.
Into 100
years after people. Stripped of its defenses, Denver's cash register building has repeatedly unleashed great avalanches onto the streets below. The next avalanche will not be of snow, but steel.
When the top floor of the building releases from the columns due to gravity, but by the time it hits the floor just directly below it, it has a force twice its own weight. And that effect would just increase and increase as the floors go down. The building